Hello, good morning students. How are you all? So let's start discuss about our notes. The chapter is earth structure. So the first question it is you describe the layer of the interior of the earth. Interior of the earth. So core and mantle it is your interior of the layers of the earth and their chemical composition. So the inner core is solid and outer core is liquid and mantle is solid form of plastic. This is due to the relative melting point of the different layer. निकल आयरन कोर से मिलकर बनता है. कोर को निफे भी कहा जाता है. निफे मीन्स निकल एंड आयरन एंड मेंटल को सीमा कहा जाता है. सीमा मीन्स सिलिका एंड magnesium. So magnesium. So silicate crust and mantle and the increase in temperature and pressure as depth increase. So the second question it is now. There are two transitional zones between the two consecutive layers of the interior of the earth. Name them and state their chief characteristics. So the transitional zone between crust and mantle is Moho discontinuity, which is the dividing zone between solid and semi-solid state of rocks. Due to the increasing temperature as the depth increases, the boundaries between mantle and core is known as Gutenberg discontinuity. Below the zone, both density and temperature going on increasing. The density is more than 13 and temperature is more than 2200 degree Celsius. Now, next question. Temperature start rising gradually towards the interior of the earth because due to enhancing density and pressure, the temperature goes on increasing gradually towards inside of the interior of the earth. The third, the atmosphere is in a semi-molten state because the upper layer of the mantle it lies at a depth of 80 to 200 kilometer below the surface of the earth and it is molten due to high temperature and pressure. Now next, the inner core of the earth is in a solid state. Why? Because it is made of very dense or heavy materials like iron and nickel. Even though it is very hot, these materials don't melt very easily, so they stay solid. Now next, state two chief characteristics of the earth crust. The crust of the earth is composed of a great variety of igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rock. The next it is the bed and pressure of rocks also starts increasing with the depth and considering the size of the earth, the crust is relatively this thin layer. Next question. Which layer is responsible for earth magnetic field and why? The outer core it is responsible for earth magnetic field because as earth spin on its axis, the iron inside the liquid outer core moves around and the movement causes powerful electric currents to develop is the liquid iron itself. Now Nife is so called. Why? Because it is found in core. It is made of nickel. Iron since are heavy metal. Next question it is the core of the earth is the most inaccessible part of the earth because it lies thousands of kilometers deep inside the earth. There are four core layers of the earth called the crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. Next question it is The earth crust undergoes many changes because the earth heat and pressure. Most abundant rocks that form the crust of the earth are igneous, that are formed by the cooling of the magma. Now next, what is the difference between Moho discontinuity and Gutenberg discontinuity? So Moho discontinuity, it is the mark the boundary between the upper mantle and the crust. It is located 8 km below the ocean floor, and Gutenberg, it is mark the boundary between the lower mantle and outer core. It is located about 29,000 km below the earth surface. Now fourth question, next it is your, why is the earth interior is most part found in a solid state despite great heat and pressure? Because inner core is made up on an iron and nickel along with some silica, hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. The next, where is asthenosphere found and in which form does it exist? So the answer, it is found in the mantle at a depth of 100 to 250 kilometer. It is found in the semi-liquid state. In which part of the earth is Nephe found? What it is composed of? Nephe, it's found in the core of earth. Nephe is composed of nickel and iron, being heavy metal and having high density, which are found deep inside the earth. Nephe means nickel, NiCKLE, nickel, and Fe मतलब होता है iron, ferrous. So next, what are consequences of the pressure and earth in the interior of the earth? So due to extreme temperature of 2200 degrees Celsius, every matter is in liquid and gaseous state. In the interior core, the temperature in the mantle ranges from 870 degrees Celsius to 2200 degrees Celsius. So things are in semi-liquid state. The crust, a layer of 60 kilometer. It is 60 kilometer breadth, is made of solid rocks with earth density of 2 and 3 gram per centimeter cube, and the density goes on increasing to 3 to 4 gram per centimeter cube in the mantle and 10 to 13 gram per centimeter square in core. Now you can see here, this is the structure here. This part is representing core, and the red circle, it is your Gutenberg discontinuity, and this circle, it is your mantle, and here this is your crust portion, and the red mantle and crust between portion, that is your Moho discontinuity, and this is your atmosphere. Now just learn all the question and answers from this chapter and be ready for your exam. Thank you.